Hi children, today we are going to discuss about a new chapter, quadratic equation. Before we discuss the linear equation, in this chapter we are going to discuss about the quadratic equation. Let us know what is quadratic equation. An quadratic equation with one variable in which the highest power of the variable is 2 is known as quadratic equation. That means there is a one equation with a power is 2, that is the quadratic equation. That means the general form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. That means if any equations is there, suppose x square plus 2 equal to 0, but in this quadratic equations, the equation, that means the quadratic equation is should be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are a real number and a not equal to 0. All these values are real numbers. In this, one word is that the discriminant. That means for quadratic equation, the general form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But in discriminant, the expression is b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. And this general is denoted by. For this, we denoted by the letter d. So that means d equal to b square minus 4ac. This is the quadratic equation. By using this quadratic equation, we are going to solve some sums. The first sum they are given is x is equal to 5, a solution of the quadratic equation. They are given the equation x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. In this is they are telling us to they are given the x value and they ask us to find whether this equation is a quadratic equation. After solving these sums, we have to get 0 value. Both the sides are equal. That means 0 value means this is a quadratic equation. That means, see here, they are given an equation x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So this is the LHS and this is the RHS. After applying this x value, we have to get 0 in this left hand side and also in the right hand side. So we have to apply the x value and we have to find this LHS is equal to RHS. If LHS equal to RHS, then it is a quadratic equation. So now we are going to solve the sum. See, they are given the equation x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Now we are going to apply the x value. That means they are given x is equal to 5. So 5 square minus 2 into 5 minus 15 equal to 0. So 5 square means 5 5s are 25. 2 times we have to multiply. Minus 5 2s are 10 minus 15 equal to 0. See here minus 10 and minus 15 are same value, same sign, so we can add. So 25 minus 10 plus 15, 25 equal to 0. Now see, plus 25 minus 25, so 0. Both signs are different, so we are subtracting, equal to 0. So now this LHS, left hand side equal to right hand side. So both the values are equal. So we define that it's a quadratic equation. Then the next sum, we can solve the next sum. The second question they are given, if root 2 by 3 is a solution, equation 3x square plus mx plus 2 equal to 0. Find the value of m. They are given the x value. We have to apply the x value in the equation and we have to find the m value. We want to find the m value. See, now we are going to solve the sum. Here they are given x is equal to root of 2 by 3. Now we are going to apply this x value in equation 3x square plus mx plus 2 equal to 0. See here, for x value we are applying 3 into root 2 by 3 the whole square plus we don't know the m value, so m into root of 2 by 3 plus 2 equal to 0. See here, 3 into, if root 2 into root 2, we get answer 2. By root 3 into root 3, we get 3. Plus m into 2 root by root 3 plus 2 equal to 0. Then see here, we can cancel this 3 and this 3. So now our answer is 2 plus root 2 by root 3 m plus 2 equal to 0. So we get 4 plus root 2 by root 3 m equal to 0. So here m equal to 4, we are transferring 4 in that side, so root 2 by root 3 equal to minus 4. So m equal to minus 4 by root 2 by root 3. So here we are solving m equal to, we get at last we get m is equal to minus 4 by root 2 by root 3. So here we are interchanging like this, m is equal to minus 4 into root 3 by root 2. Now here we have to cancel the root 2. So we are multiplying minus 4 into root 3 by root 2 into multiplying the denominator both the sides. Both. So minus root 2 by root 2. See here we get minus 4 into root 6 by root 2 into root 2, 2. So we get minus 4 into root 3 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2. So we get minus 4 into 3 2s are 6, root 6 by root 2 into root 2, 2 equal to, we get minus 4 root 6 by 2. Now we can cancel 2 2s are 4. At last we get the answer minus 2 root 6. So m equal to answer minus 2 root 6. They are given the x value and given the equation. We apply the x value in the equation and we find the m value, that m is equal to minus 2 root 6. I hope you all understand. Okay, we can solve one more sum. they are given if 3 and minus 3 are the solution of equation ax square plus bx minus 9 equal to 0. Find the value of a and b. So in the before sum we find only one value, that is m value. In this sum they are given two solutions. One equation we have to apply these two solutions in an equation. We have to find the a value and b. That means first value they are given x is equal to 3. So by applying x is equal to 3 we are going to find ax square plus bx minus 9 equal to 0. So here for x value we know 3. So a into 3 square plus b into 3 minus 9 equal to 0. A into 3 3s are 9. That means we are multiplying 3 as 2 times. 3s are 9 plus 3 into b, 3b minus 9 equal to 0. Here we get 9a plus 3b equal to 9. It transferred to the right hand side. So minus 9 is changes plus 9. So now we get one equation. So 9a plus 3b equal to 1. By applying x is equal to 3, we get equation 9a plus 3b equal to 9. So next they given x is minus 3. Another one solution they are given x is equal to minus 3. So now we are going to apply this value in this equation. Ax square plus bx minus 9 equal to 0. So x value minus 3 square plus b into minus 3 minus 9 equal to 0. Here a into minus plus 3's are, then plus into minus minus 3b minus 9 equal to 0. Here 9a minus 3b equal to minus 9, so 9. We get another one equation, equation 2. So by applying x is equal to minus 3a minus 3b equal to 9. So we get two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. By solving these two equations, we are going to find a value and b value. See here equation 1. Here we are writing equation 1. 9a plus 3b equal to 9, and second equation 9a minus 3b equal to 9. See, first we have to find any one value. Here we can see both the signs are different, so we can cancel. Here 9 plus 9, 18a plus 0 equal to 18. 18a equal to 18. A equal to 18 divided by 18. A equal to, cancelling we get answer a is equal to 1. So we get the answer a is equal to 1. We are going to apply a is equal to 1 in equation 1. So equation 1, 9a plus 3b equal to 9. 9 into a value is equal to 1 plus 3b equal to 9. 9 plus 3b equal to 9. 3b equal to 9. The plus 9 is transferred to minus 9. So 3b equal to 0. So b is equal to 0 by 3. So we get the answer b is equal to 0. So they ask us to find a and b. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0. By giving two equations, they solve and find out the a value and b. So we find out a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. Okay. Practice in your home. Keep watching. Subscribe the video and share the video with your friends. The next video we can solve some more sums. Thank you.